I don't have 30 minutes just to... What is up, you guys, and welcome to my channel. I hope everyone's having a fantastic day today. In today's video, we're going to be diving into the Ipsy Glam Bag X for the first one for the year of 2022. That was awkward still. You know how many times I've tried to like do this intro and it's should we redo it? I don't know. If you guys are excited to get into this unboxing and you find any value or enjoyment out of the video, make sure you give the video a thumbs up because it does help me out, or actually any other creator here on YouTube. You know, give them a thumbs up, comment, liking. It helps anybody and everybody more than you would actually know. But first, if you have no idea who I am, like you never see my face on, your screen, my name is Jessi Maee and we upload makeup unboxings and lifestyle videos. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel by clicking that link down in that corner and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Before we do dive on into it, a little bit about the Ipsy Glam Bag X. It is a tier off of the normal Ipsy Glam Bag, like little sample size box. If you don't know anything about the Ipsy Glam Bag, you can check out one of my videos in the eye and down below. I just did like a 3 different bag unboxing, try-on type of, it was kind of a disaster, but you get samples. I don't know. And here you get, I want to say 7 to 8 full-size products, and the retail value, honestly, I believe it's $250. I could just be throwing that out of literally thin air. Let me double check. So you get 7 to 8 full-size products, and the retail value is supposed to be up to $350. So not more, but definitely less than $350. Let's just dive on into this. And this one was curated by Addison Rae. You know what's really funny? And I'm going to admit this here because, I mean, why not? I actually really don't know too much about Addison Rae, but I bought her palette from Tarte.
Yeah, no, you're thinking of Adeline more.
You know, like, I just know she's an influencer, so yeah. Let's just dive on into my Ipsy Glam Bag X. Now, I did use some of the products today. Some of them I did not. And since it's not a try-on or anything, I'm not really going to obviously show you me putting them on, but I will talk a little bit about me trying them out. Aceology Multivitamin Brightening Biodegradable Mask. I love that it's a biodegradable mask. My thing is I don't really use masks all that. Oh, it's 30 minutes? I don't have time to sit here for 30 minutes with a mask on my face. But I will sit it maybe for 15 and see if it does anything. I love how it says when Addison doesn't have time for a pro facial treatment, she reaches for this. I'm sorry, I don't have 30 minutes just to me, that's a pro, like, treatment facial. Anyway, so inside it comes with 4 of the masks, and the retail value of all 4 of these is $59. That's expensive for some masks. Each individual mask right here is $14.75. That's pretty expensive for a face mask. I'm not gonna, right? You can go like the Dollar Tree and get a couple masks for, now $1.25. Anyway, set that aside. Alright, next in here, I didn't exactly use this one because I didn't want to open it because I just used my little like sample size of it, but this is the Porefessional Hydrate Primer from Benefit. Retail value of this is $32. This is from Lily Lashes. It's a Level Up Lash Enhancing Serum, and the retail value of this is $65. I didn't open this. I'm not even going to try this out right now. The only reason is literally the last Ipsy Glam Bag X, I'm 95% positive we received a lash serum there.
No, you didn't, so I have no idea what you're talking about.
And then I just also, this is beside the point, but I just received another lash serum from FabFitFun, so I'm not opening this because I don't need like 5 lash serums open. But since this is in here, I'm pretty sure it does work. I can't say anything that it does or doesn't. So don't come after me for that, but I mean, it's $65, so hopefully it does a little bit of something. Next, this is, I didn't open this either because I have so many, I don't need any more eye creams open. I'm already testing a few, so this is going to be a little further down the line. So this is, now I'm super 100% like glad I didn't open this. I didn't try it out because I don't want to ruin. This is the MZ Skin. It's a Soothe and Smooth Hyaluronic Brightening Eye Complex. The retail value of this is $143. So super glad I didn't open it. I didn't try it. And the only reason I'm saying that because I'm already working, like I said, on several other eye creams. So we'll save that. Definitely will give that some use in the future when I go through a few more of my other ones. I mean, $143. So I love when they do this. I love when they put items in your box that is not supposed to be there. Like it's not anywhere in here, because inside this magazine gives you a list of literally every single product that you could get. Like, so in this magazine, it shows you every possible product that you can get. And obviously, since you only get 8, you're not going to get every single item. What I don't like is when they throw in products in here that are not in here. So for example, I received the Ofra Blush Maee. It's a liquid to baked and smoothing blush. The shade is wild, first of all. Straight up just like orange, but it looks actually really, really good on the skin. So I did enjoy that. Let me give you a swatch too, because like I said, it's orange. But it is pretty. It's very smooth. It is very, very smooth, and it does almost feel kind of like a liquid. I'm sad that it's not in here. Let me see really quick if I can find a retail value for you guys, because I kind of need to know that either way. So the retail value off of Ofra's site anyway, the retail value of this is at $29. It's a little salty you're not in here, but that's cool. This is the First Aid Beauty. It's the Facial Radiance Niacinamide Dark Spot Serum, and it helps reduce the look of hyperpigmentation and even tone. Because I was looking for the box and not the actual thing, because I didn't even open the thing, which my box is already ripped. I didn't rip it. Oh, it's cute and pretty, and I love the color of it. So this is, like I said, the Facial Radiance Niacinamide Dark Spot Serum. The retail value of this is $42. I mean, it says to use it at night, so that's why I didn't use it. So yeah, I love niacinamide. Niacinamide is a great ingredient in skincare. I almost called it a chemical. Anyway, so glad to have that. Moving on, we have 2 more products, so I'm gonna just set that box down. This is the Tarte High Performance Naturals, the Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Highlighter. We received the shade Sparkle Highlight. The retail value of this, I'm gonna grab mine because I already own it. That one aside, pass along or something. There's your shade, just Sparkler. So it's a very pretty highlight. I mean, I love Tarte. There's some are hit or misses, but they're 12-hour Amazonian Clay highlighters. They're definitely a hit, so I do recommend them. The retail value of that is at $29. Oh, that's so funny. She's like, like Addison's tip is, I sweep this all over my lids to double as a shimmery eyeshadow. That's literally what I did today. I took my bronzer in my crease, and I took the Tarte highlighter all over my eyes. Yeah, so we're like one and the same. Lastly, in our box, we have something from Uma. The Black Magic Hypnotic Impact High Shine Lipstick in Love. I mean, I'm wearing it on my lips. The gold was very intimidated at first, like I just showed you, but the gold on the outside, it does come off a little bit. Can't really tell, but actually, maybe I just had highlighter on. But no, okay, I guess the gold really doesn't come off on the lipstick, but this is it's a buildable, long-lasting, moisturizing, and it gives the lips the most perfect light-reflecting glow. I don't know. Do you see a light-reflecting glow? Let me know down below. Did not intended to rhyme. Anyway, so this was our last product in there, and I did like it. It did go on nice and creamy. It feels pretty comfortable. I should see what it looks like. Like I said, it's very comfortable, and it's moisturizing because I guess there is a Brazilian nut oil. And I do like the packaging. The packaging is just very sleek, like red. It's kind of sexy, you know, like a sexy red. Love it. The box packaging, very colorful. Doesn't really match this, but I like both of them. Anyway, let me add up all of these and give you a retail value. All right, so this came from Google. You remember in the beginning when I said, well, your box is not going to be no more than $350 because it literally said up to $350? Well, My retail value, if I added everything correct, is $423. Now, granted, $143 is the eye cream that, you know, this right here is like $150 worth of the box. So, taking that away, my box would be at like $280, and say it was given something else that's like, I don't know, $20. Like another makeup product, like something in here. Like there was an eyeshadow palette, like a Juvia's eyeshadow palette. That was $20. So that would make my box roughly around $300, which again is a great value for the $55. Am I glad to have the $423 value? Depends. Am I going to get use out of all my items? The only thing I'm not particularly too fond of was the fact that I already own the Tarte highlighter, but I mean, you know, it's just because I got a lot of makeup, like a lot. More than one person needs, which by the way, stick around because I'm going to be getting rid of about 90-95% of my makeup. That is my Ipsy Glam Bag X for this season. Because technically it kind of is like a season. I mean, you know, it's going to come quarterly. Anyway, this one, like I said, was curated by Addison Rae. We received some pretty good products in here. Majority of them I am going to get use out of. Like, I do enjoy the primer. The primer is really good, so I'm glad to have a full size now that, you know, my sample's pretty much gone. Oh, the niacinamide's great to have that. I can always use a new, you know, like, treatment for my face, like to try new things, as well as the super expensive eye cream. The only thing is I hope I don't like it, because I'm not going to be rebuying it for $143, and where that accent went, I don't know. So, if you guys enjoyed this video and you got any type of value out of it, make sure you give the video a thumbs up, because it does help me out tremendously, and leave me a comment down below. What was your favorite item in this box? Also, or, you know, do you get the Ipsy Glam Bag X? Do you also think it's worth the $55? Like the products that I did get. And the only other thing I'm going to throw in here before fully wrapping it up is, like I said, I do wish that they would not throw random products that are not in the magazine, but I'm also glad I didn't get this Ipsy faux croc bag. Like, good. Thank you. So, rather definitely 100% I will take this any day over that little bag, because Ipsy bags typically are not that good. So that, you know, whatever. Anyway, I'm actually really happy with this box. So it's a decent box. I think I said this already, but you know what? If you guys enjoyed this video and you found any value out of it, make sure you give the video a thumbs up, because it does help me out tremendously, and it also just makes me feel good. Make sure you leave me a comment down below what was your favorite item, and, you know, or if you get Ipsy, any type of Ipsy, just because I'm curious, let me know down below. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel by clicking this link right here. And if you want to binge watch some of my other content and hang out a little bit longer, go ahead and click one of these links right here. I love you guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye!